Assalamualaikum sir, good afternoon.
Walaikum Salam, good afternoon. How have you been?
I am well. What about you?
Alhamdulillah, I'm over the moon by the grace of Almighty Allah. So, may I know your full name?
Yes sir, my name is Ashika Mehejabi.
Which name can I call you?
You can call me Mehejabi.
Okay, Mehejabi. In this video, I'm going to ask you some general question about your daily life and your personal life. So, are you ready to answer this question?
Yes sir.
Okay, where do you live?
I live in Putuakhali at PTA Road.
Okay, very good. So, what's your future plan?
In my future, I want to be a successful businesswoman.
Okay, very good. So, what does your father do?
My father is a journalist.
What does your mother do?
My mother is a housewife.
Do you have any sibling?
Yes, I have 2 siblings.
Okay, do you learn English?
Yes sir.
Where do you learn English?
I learn English at Alif English Academy.
Okay, sounds good. Do you like traveling?
Yes sir, I do.
So, if you have any chance, where do you want to go in your future?
I want to go Mokka.
Okay, you want to go to Makkah.
Yes sir.
Okay, so is there any other specific country?
Yes, I want to go Canada.
Okay, so do you think English is very important in your real life?
Yes sir.
Okay, so why do you want to go to Canada?
Because my study purpose.
Okay, for your study purpose. Okay, very good. So, do you like music?
So.
What kind of music do you like?
Old music.
Oh, very good. What does your brother do?
I have no brother, sir.
Oh, sorry. So, what does your sister do?
My sister is a businesswoman.
Oh, really? That's very good. What do you do in your free time?
In my free time, I read books, read newspaper, and scroll my Facebook.
Okay, that's very good. I will not make it longer. Allah Hafiz.